Greetings guys, my name is Benedict and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on our Audcad signal that was posted about 3 weeks ago. Currently we are running at 180 pips and which is looking very good for us because now it shows you how effectively the strategy can work for anybody that applies it accordingly. Now it's not difficult. It's quite easy to actually understand as well, and you'll be actually able to see how the market makers think and operate and actually take their trades, because one of the things that they used in this concept or in this trade that we were particularly looking at before we took it is that institutional traders were actually looking for a big round number, and they were looking to actually take it off of a weekly or a monthly support area, and they actually gave us the two signals, about 2 or 3 signals before the market actually started moving upwards. So I'm just going to take you back as to what was a few components that we were looking at before we actually took this trade. For those of you that did not watch the first video, we just wanted to basically make you see the bigger picture in terms of how the strategy works. But I do encourage that you watch the first video um, so that you can get a better understanding as to what exactly I am talking about and how do you apply it in your personal trading life. So then basically what you want to do is that you want to look at support and resistance level on a daily chart, and after you have identified your support and resistance levels, um, you are going to insert your Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band should be a standard Bollinger Band with the standard default settings. Just install it there. It's done. Alright, after you insert your Bollinger Band, um, basically you are looking for um, the Bollinger Band to be pierced. If you are looking to buy, it should be at the support level, as you can see in this place here, in this area here, that we had a very significant support level on this low at the 960. And looking at it from a weekly chart, we can see that the market has been moving downwards for the entire year, so we could actually anticipate a bounce was more likely to happen in this area. And once that bounce happens, we can see that it's more likely to chase the upper side of the Bollinger Band, which will be around this 10 this level here, this 1.0 level there. So we are currently running at 180 pips right now, closer to the 0.99. So we could possibly close right now, but seeing that it has actually broken through the middle band there, we can actually anticipate it actually going further. So we're not gonna close it, but we're gonna hold it and just put our stop, trail it with our stop on a daily chart on today's candles low, which will be around here. So we're just gonna lock in our profit and let this trade run. So that's one of the things that we are actually looking at. And if you can see that the level has actually come into a support area, what you are looking for is the first piercing of the band, and then you're also looking for the second piercing of the band. Now the second piercing is the one that you should actually be focusing on, because it's the one that actually gives us a clearer indication of a price rejection on the lower side. So now once that, like in this Audcad signal, the price did manage to come into this psych number, no, psychological number, which was the 960, which is a whole number as well, and it actually came off very strongly off there. And once we spotted that retracement above the band there, then we started entering our positions, seeing that the price is actually being rejected from the lower price there. And as you can see, a couple of days later, it's about 2 4 6 7 days later, we are in a good position there. So that is what you are looking for. So to know more about this strategy, I recommend that you watch our first video as to how the analysis was done and how you can apply it in your own trading life effectively. But I do give you tips that uh, uh, that it's best to actually trade this strategy from a higher time frame, like your weekly, daily, and a 4 hour, nothing less than a 4 hour, although that you can still apply it on a lower time frame if you are more of an intraday trader. But if you're looking to actually catch more pips, this is the best strategy for you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos regarding this strategy.